Hi, I'd like to give you a potted history of Trinity Wealth Management and sustainable investing. We formed Trinity in 2001 and we've always had a heart to see lives change, to see the world change. But back then, in 2001, we felt that the best way that we'd be doing that would be to encourage our clients to give philanthropically, to make a difference through their giving. And that's still a big part of the financial planning side of Trinity. But we've realised in the last few years that actually far greater impact can be made through the use of our clients' capital, whether that's in ISAs or in their pensions or in their general savings. Our capital can make a difference in this world. Now, historically, investing ethically meant investing in products that screened out, that excluded certain types of stocks, such as gambling, alcohol, tobacco. But that didn't really make much of a difference because someone else was always happy to buy those stocks. But the market has moved on. It's moved on now where there are genuine people there who are not in it for the marketing, but have a genuine desire to see the world change. And Trinity has aligned themselves with those types of companies. So we are now fully invested, both Graham and myself as business partners. All of our personal savings are held in socially responsible investments. We know that we can make a difference with our capital, and we can make a difference with your capital too. If you're interested, please do click on the link below, which will take you to our website. We'd be delighted to hear from you.